Hi, I'm Aishwarya Vaiti. I have graduated from SIS SBS from the batch 2018-2020. So SIS SBS has been an integral part of my life. It has shaped my professional journey throughout. Over the years, it has strengthened my journey further. So basically, there are four things which I have taken from SIS and which has helped me grow in my professional life. The first thing I would say is the curriculum. The curriculum has been thoroughly deepened according to the industry standards, and it has strengthened my foundation and given me a better core for my job further in the industry. The next being is the skill set. The skill sets, like for me, it has been leadership. I have developed my leadership skills, my communication, as well as my team collaboration abilities from here. So that was because of the corporate readiness program, which has been spearheaded by the placement committee, as well as the group projects that happen, the presentations that happen. The third thing is the alumni network. The robust alumni network at SIS SBS is the most amazing thing of the campus. I mean, you can never be alone in the pharma industry because every along you find your alumni, someone or the other is there in the industry to support you, and you will never walk alone here. And the fourth thing is a very special thing to me. It is very close. I mean, there has been a faculty, Professor Jhanna Lula ma'am. So she has been the strength, guiding strength for her students and for me as well. Throughout the placements, throughout the 2 years of my journey at SIS SBS. And there are two things which I have taken out of her is being compassionate and being empathetic. So this is a whole sum of the journey of my journey at SIS SBS. And placement wise, I think there is no company today which is not there at SIS SBS. The packages have been amazing. The placement committee has been doing an amazing job for us, and I would really recommend students to be here for their future. This is the best decision that I have made for my life. And even today, I'm working at Zydus as a senior product manager. And even today, Zydus Healthcare has visited SIS SBS campus for the placement drive, and it has almost picked up 3 students from here, giving up package equivalent. So, if anybody asks me, SIS was the best decision I have made in my life. So, thank you.